Cow. Cows are large mammals, often used as livestock for meat and milk. Pig. Pigs have poor eyesight, but a great sense of smell. Whale. Whales are mammals and breathe air by using a blowhole located on the top of their head. Whales have to come up to the surface of the water to get air. Hermit crab. A hermit crab moves into large shells as it grows, fighting with other hermit crabs for a shell if necessary. Snail. Snails are invertebrates, which means they do not have a backbone. These animals move around on a single milky foot and carry their home, which is their shell, on their backs. Water buffalo. Water buffaloes are huge. They can range in size from 6 to 9 feet tall and weigh about 2,600 pounds. They use these two horns to defend themselves and dig holes in the mud to lie in. Raccoon. Raccoons live an average of 5 years in the wild. Raccoons are nocturnal animals, so they are rarely seen during the day. They have excellent night vision. Seahorse. Seahorse uses their dorsal fins, their back fins, to propel slowly forward. And to move up and down, seahorses adjust the volume of air in their swim bladders. Frog. Frogs have excellent night vision and are very sensitive to movement. The bulging eyes of most frogs allow them to see in front, to the sides, and partially behind them. Ladybugs. Ladybugs are considered beneficial as they eat other plant-eating insects. They are colorful, so they warn predators not to eat them. Squid. Squids have 2 tentacles that are longer than its arms. They are usually hidden from view, but shoot out to capture prey. Squid can change color and swim backwards by pushing water out of their bag-like bodies. Pufferfish. Puffers are fish that can inflate themselves with water or air. When inflated, some are nearly as round as a ball. Fly. A fly can taste with their feet and are able to see behind them. Dragonfly. Dragonflies are a type of flying insect. There are over 3,600 kinds of dragonflies on the planet. Dragonflies have sharp teeth and fly faster than most other insects. Crabs. Most crabs live in seawater, but there are some who live in freshwater. Crabs are omnivores. Starfish. Starfish can regenerate their own arms. They have no brain or blood. Not all starfish are star-shaped. Crocodile. Crocodiles have tough skin composed of many large plates and scales. The eyes, ears, and nostrils are on top of the head. They allow a crocodile to see, hear, and breathe, even when most of it is floating underwater. Conch. Conch are herbivores. They eat algae and other tiny marine plants. Bird. Birds have feathers, wings, lay eggs, and are warm-blooded. There are over 10,000 different species of birds worldwide.
Let's